Tonight, at least one local county worries it is hitting a COVID-19 vaccination wall. Dearborn County health officials tell us turnout at one site today was much less than they hoped for. Reporter Whitney Miller is in Aurora tonight to explain.
There's just a little bit of disappointment here, but still some optimism in Dearborn County. The goal was to vaccinate 800 people, but with the rain and some little hesitation, about 200 people received their vaccine. Saturday, as health officials in Dearborn County started to pack up their mass vaccination site, more people started to trickle in, looking for a shot.
I Googled it and I didn't think I'd get it this early, but it worked out.
But the number of people who showed up in Aurora to the Moderna site was not nearly as many as what the local health department had hoped.
And we may be getting to the point where there's a little more apathy about getting it.
Out of the 800 doses they prepared, around 200 were used. Despite the low turnout, Dr. Stephen Elison is still pushing for the vaccine.
Supply was limited. Now we have a lot of shots.
Right now, he says only a third of the county has received at least one shot. He thinks it should be higher.
If we can stop it, then that's when we can quit worrying about new variants and all of this. If we can we need to get everyone, as many people in the entire world vaccinated too. It's not just our little county.
His team has been authorized to start giving doses to people who live outside the county. That means residents of Ohio and Kentucky are eligible.
10 vials per box, and each vial has 10 vaccines in it.
Bruce Canfield is a site administrator. He helped pass out doses all day Saturday and heard some of the hesitations.
They don't like the idea of needles. A lot of people are really busy and they don't have time to have the side effects.
He says those worries are just small barriers. In Aurora, Whitney Miller, WCPO 9 News.
So even though turnout was low, Dearborn County's health department says no doses went wasted. They'll be transferred to the Dearborn County Convention Center, where the health department hosts a daily vaccination clinic.